Hi, I'm Stephanie Dang, and I'll be using the May 2024 kits along with the Leafy Wreath cut file, the color block camera cut file, and the color kit. First thing I'm doing is I'm just prepping my layout with gesso. I'm going to let that dry before I'm going to add some splatters using the color kit from this month. While I'm letting that dry, I'm going to use my light pad to trace the pattern paper and back up my cut file. I'm dabbing the colors on acrylic, and then I'm going to dilute it with water and splatter it all over my page. I added a few circular stitching before playing with my embellishments. I'm just finishing up my layout with some enamels and word phrases. My layout is pretty much complete. I hope my layout gave you some inspiration for this week, and have a wonderful, blessed week, everyone.